For centuries, the diamond has fascinated man for its alluring sparkle and physical hardness. Formed about 3 billion years ago, the diamond may very well be the oldest item you will ever purchase. The diamond must actually undergo several stages in production before being transformed into a vibrant piece of jewelry. There are actually 4 stages that the diamond must go through to get to market. Stage 1. Mining. Roughly 50% of diamonds come from Africa, although some sources of diamonds have been discovered in India, Russia, Canada, and Australia. The diamonds that made it to the surface were forced up volcanically through natural pipes. Keep in mind that a typical pipe mine consists of a large vertical shaft with tunnels running from the main pipe. The deepest mine runs about 3,500 feet down into the earth, with more than 200 tons of rock, gravel, and sand that need to be blasted, crushed, and processed to yield 1 carat of gem-quality diamonds. About 20% of all rough diamonds are suitable for polishing. The rest are sold for industrial purposes. Once the rough is found, it is then sold to the manufacturers. Stage 2. Rough reaches the market. A large proportion of the world's rough supply finds its way to De Beers Central Selling Organization, CSO. The rough the CSO buys is sorted into more than 5,000 different categories. After the rough is sorted and priced, it is sold to manufacturers at sites. There are 10 sites a year, each lasting 1 week. The chosen few afforded the chance to purchase at these sites are called site holders. The balance of the world's rough supply is sold to private buyers and others through private auctions. Stage 3. Manufacturing the diamond. Regardless of the source, all rough eventually finds its way to the cutting centers. Today, the major cutting centers are Antwerp, Israel, Bombay, Johannesburg, and New York. Upon reaching its destination, the rough is carefully examined to decide how it should be cut to yield the greatest value. The stone's shape, measurements, and weight are determined. Also taken into consideration is the rough shape, as well as the number and position of its internal inclusions. The stone is then marked and usually sawed or cleaved. After this, the stone goes through a series of cutters who each have their own specialty. Finally, the diamond is polished and ready for sale. Stage 4. The final journey. After the diamond is manufactured, it is ready to be sold. For decades, diamond manufacturers have sold their cut diamonds to jewelry manufacturers and diamond wholesalers, who in turn sell to jewelry wholesalers and to retail jewelry stores.